Georgia Gold, not Carolina Gold. Don't ask me why. Two different states are claiming the same type of mustard-based sauce. What is up, my KeToMi crew? It's your boy KeToMi Papi, and today we are back for another mukbang. That's right. Today we got some homemade Georgia Gold chicken, along with some Georgia Gold chicken sandwich that I made. This is all homemade. I got some broccoli because we gotta stay healthy. Some homemade ranch. And guys, we are here for a
Georgia Gold mukbang.
That's right, guys. So don't get this confused with the Carolina Gold that's currently available at Wingstop. These are both two different states that have a love for these gold barbecue sauces, which are both mustard based. So I was like, you know what? I remember KFC did have a Georgia Gold sauce whenever they had released the Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and make my own Georgia Gold sauce for these chicken items that we got here. So that's what I did. If this is your first time watching a guy with shades on in the middle of the night, consider subscribing. Make sure you hit this video with a like if you enjoyed the video, and make sure you turn on the notifications bell so you will never miss another KeToMi Papi video. That's right. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this, guys. First video for the new year. I'm very excited to be, starting off the new year on this note. So you know how we do. Let's get some ASMR. All right. Today we are going to be drinking some. Let me see what we got here. Some Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. Don't get this mixed up with the Diet Dr. Pepper. They do taste a little bit different, but basically they serve the same purpose. 0 calories, 0 sugar. But I just like the Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar better than the Diet Dr. Pepper. But give or take, it doesn't really matter. Whatever is available, especially when you have, if you're in the drive-thru of any of your fast food locations, Diet Dr. Pepper is what I usually go for. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. We got some Georgia Gold chicken wings here. Oh man, guys, can y'all take a look at that?
Oh my god!
See how gorgeous that is? Man.
Oh!
Might have to do a Georgia Gold versus Carolina Gold. Anyways, I'm doing too much talking. Let's get into this, y'all.
Delicious.
Oh man. Ah. I'll leave a recipe to this Georgia Gold sauce, my own Georgia Gold sauce, in the description below. Let me know if you try it, and respond if you actually tried it and like it. Very curious. I'm gonna go ahead and dip this in some homemade ranch here. Oh boy.
Juicy.
These are some huge wings, so I'm hoping I can finish all of them. I think the wing prices done came down. Happy for that. Big fan of mustard. So this is like the perfect sauce for me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get some broccoli in. Guys, you guys need to eat your vegetables like your parents wanted you to when you were growing up. Eat your vegetables. Make it easier, dip it in some ranch, Nice and healthy for you. You guys to take a look at the sandwich here, y'all. I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna get into this in one moment, but guys, just take a moment. Let's see how beautiful that thing is. Thin piece of chicken, but very nicely breaded though. We're gonna get into that in a moment. Oh wow. Oh boy. Yes. This is some good stuff here, y'all. Make sure you guys hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. If you guys like recipes, I'll have this full recipe on my Instagram and all the other socials. Amazing. Got some more Georgia Gold sauce just creeping. Oh boy. Make sure to brine your chicken every time before cooking. I always use a salt brine, but you can use a buttermilk brine, pickle juice brine, whatever, just to make it tender. How's y'all's New Year so far? I know we're very early in. You guys still have your gym memberships? Some of you guys still have the same memberships that keep on charging you every month and you ain't showing up. I might have to open up a gym, y'all, because, man, I'm telling you, at least one person probably doesn't go to the gym at least once a month. So that's free money for the gym. Every time you don't show up every month, or if you don't show up every, a decent amount of times in a month, the gym collects. So utilize it when you can. This does taste similar to the Carolina Gold. I'm just a little bit confused as to why they have two different names. Shout out to everybody who's watching me from Houston, Texas. If you're not from Houston, Texas, shout out your city down below. Let me know where you guys are watching from. We can go ahead and take a bite of this chicken sandwich. That's the back end of it. Let's go ahead and get the front end. Whoo boy. Going in. Very thin piece of chicken. Heavy. I made too much food once again. So I think I know what my limit is. I'm going to start doing 3 whole wings, which is really a 6-piece wing. Do 3 whole wings and a sandwich and some broccoli. That should have done it. 4 wings was too much. I know that though. And don't get mad at me if I don't finish all my food on camera, guys. Food gets finished around here at KeToMi Papi. Get one last look at that chicken wing, y'all. That's that Georgia gold, not Carolina gold. Don't ask me why. 2 different states are claiming the same type of mustard-based sauce. It is what it is. But as always, this food is so delicious, and your boy KeToMi Papi has done hit a wall. Guys, if you guys are still here with me at the end of this video, I truly appreciate it. You guys are some real ones who are still here with me. Make sure you hit this video with a like. It really helps support my channel and gives it the opportunity for other people to find your boy KeToMi Papi. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you consider subscribing. I really appreciate it if you hit that red button. And I'm going to be catching you guys on the next video. Let's go ahead and have a great 2023 and keep the ball rolling. It's your boy KeToMi Papi sign out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay healthy. Take care. Peace.